Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to background color. So ini I will create HTML and then create body. Now in body here, you can create for style and set for the background color. Now you can set for the color, I will set into blue color and then you can save. Now we can open in browser to be create the page with the blue color in the background. You can change again, like I will set into yellow color and then you can save the file and refresh, will be set into yellow color. To set for the text, you can add in here, like I will set into H1 text. This is example. And now you can save again. It will be add text into this page. Okay, that's it for a basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to background color.